Hi everyone, welcome back to Oh She Can Cook. Today's recipe is sambal petai udang, which is a little bit smelly but has a lot of flavor. Enjoy! These are the ingredients that you would need to prepare. 3 big red onions, 6 small shallots, 2 inch of ginger, and also 10 cloves of garlic. Prepare 10 tablespoons of chili oil, some palm sugar and dried chilies. Start by chopping all the ingredients into fine pieces to prepare them for blending. Take note that these ingredients will prepare up to 3 servings, so you can adjust as needed. Then put all the ingredients into the blender, add some water, and start blending. Start by heating a pan of hot oil and pour in your blended mixture. Lastly, remember to add in your air asam jawa, palm sugar, and belacan into the mixture. When it is cooked well, you should see a nice layer of oil on top of it. The final step is very easy. Just prepare some stinky beans and also prawns. Add those into your sambal belacan mixture and cook for about 10 minutes or so until the prawn is red or orange in color. Our meal is ready to start. This sambal belacan recipe is a bit tedious to prepare, but you can prepare a bigger batch and feast them up to several months. I'm sure you will love this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.